Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Prompter IQ, AI-powered prompt creator. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this.
Still wasting hours trying to write the perfect AI prompt.
Prompter IQ gives you everything you need to build a real, profitable business around AI prompts, from creation to cash flow. This is a niche that's growing every single day. The demand is real. And now, you have the tools to serve it. AI-powered prompt generation. Generate high-converting text prompts in seconds for ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools, no writing or brainstorming needed. Unlock limitless possibilities with 100+ use cases. Prompter IQ gives you access to over 100 powerful, ready-to-use prompt templates designed for every niche and need, from content creation, copywriting, and marketing to coaching, e-commerce, design, and more. Perfect for multiple income streams. Whether you're into digital product selling, coaching, freelancing, or affiliate marketing, Prompter IQ helps you cash in. Commercial rights included, profit without limits. With full commercial rights, Prompter IQ lets you use, customize, and sell the prompts as your own. Whether you're creating digital products, client deliverables, or lead magnets, you keep 100% of the profits. From the desk of Hello marketers, if you've been looking for a smart, scalable, and highly profitable way to enter the booming digital content space, without burning out or hiring a big team, let me show you something that's working incredibly well right now, for years. We've been in the business of digital creation, launching courses, software, and helping entrepreneurs like you build profitable info-based businesses. But there was one niche we kept seeing explode repeatedly: the prompts profit market. Cash in on the exploding prompts profit market, turn simple AI text into daily income. Most prompt creators are still struggling to turn this exploding opportunity into real income. Here's why. We created this list of the following qualities. Lack of strategy, they don't know what to create, who to sell to, or how to price their prompts. No business framework, tools help create prompts, but not build a real business around them. Overcrowded platforms, marketplaces like Fiverr and PromptBase are saturated, making it hard to stand out. Low quality outputs, many AI tools generate generic or unusable prompts that don't actually sell. Missing rights and licensing, most prompt creators don't come with commercial or resell rights, limiting your ability to profit. We started trialing with different tools and methods. And finally, after a lot of trial and error, we managed to create an AI app, with best qualities of a great funnel builder AI app. Using AI gave me results nothing short of remarkable. It's no surprise that most marketers throw up their hands and walk away before they even get started. But what if we told you that you don't have to go through any of that? Step 2. Create a profitable prompts. Now, let this groundbreaking Prompter IQ get to work. Choose any use case for creating a prompt, enter your details, click Generate. And voila! Watch Prompter IQ in action. Bulk Prompt Generator. Create hundreds of prompts in seconds, perfect for agencies and power users who want massive productivity. Full commercial rights. Get Prompter IQ today with best offer price. Act fast, this price won't last forever. This $27 deal is only available to the first 1,000 customers. After that, Prompter IQ will shift to a $97/month subscription. From what you can see, getting Prompter IQ is a no-brainer. So, what do you choose today will decide your business's destiny in 2025 and in coming years. Testimonials. Jessica L. PLR seller. Prompter IQ has completely transformed the way I create and sell prompts. It's fast, intuitive, and packed with features that actually help you make money. I can't imagine running my prompt business without it. David M. Prompt Specialist. As a prompt creator, I've tried dozens of tools, but none compare to Prompter IQ. I'm able to generate, organize, and sell high-demand prompts in any niche, all in one place. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.